Settings I would change on Samsung phones that will make your phone much better. First on the list is adaptive color tone. Go to your setting and click on Display. Scroll down until you see Adaptive Color Tone and turn it on. So what is adaptive color tone? This is a feature on some Samsung devices. It automatically adjusts the display's color temperature to match the ambient lighting, making colors appear more natural in different environments. It works by using sensors to detect the surrounding light. The next setting is, however, a bit of do or not to do. It's up to you. This feature saves storage space by removing the app's software, but keeps the user data and the app icon. Some apps might not support this option due to their essential nature. To get this feature, go ahead, hold the app and click on the eye for more info, and see if the archive is available. When you archive the app, you will see a download icon, in which you can click and download the app again. So put the apps you often don't need or use and archive them. If you ever missed a notification or deleted the notification from the drop-down menu, to find all the notification you ever received, go to your settings on Samsung phones, click on Notification, then scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. In here, you will see Notification History. Go ahead and click it. And from here, you can see notification from all the apps and find the one you missed. This next setting is for improving your battery and its life. So go ahead and go to Settings on Android phone and go to Battery and click Battery Protection and put it on maximum. Then go back, click on Background Usage Limit and turn on the Put Unused App to Sleep. Then click the three dots on top right-hand corner and click the Adaptive Battery, though this setting may not be available on some Android devices. But if you have this setting, turn it on. This setting will learn about your phone and app usage's behavior and run quietly in the background and will adapt. When you turn Adaptive Battery on for the first time, it will give you a message. Next, turn off Usages and Diagnostics. Usage and Diagnostics on an S25 Ultra refers to two main functions: a built-in diagnostic tool to check your phone's hardware and performance, and a setting to send diagnostic data to Google to improve the Android ecosystem. The diagnostic tool helps you find and fix issues, while the data sharing setting helps developers make improvements to the device and software over time, but also shares data with other companies without your knowledge. So turn it off, because you have better things to do than seeing your info on some platform where it shouldn't be. Next, go back to Setting and search for Ads and go down. Click on Ads, then Add Privacy, and turn off all three associated with ads. Next, we will turn off Precise Location. For this, go to your location in Settings and App Location and go through each app and see if Precise Location is turned on. If it is, turn it off and that app won't use Precise Location anymore in the background. With that, you will have less apps running in the background. Just leave the important ones that you use and requires Precise Location all the time. However, some Precise Location you cannot turn it off, like System UI.